Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gosund smart plug. It's the perfect little device here to make your dumb devices just a little bit smarter without breaking the bank. Some of the use case scenarios for wanting to use a smart plug could be anything from increasing home security, hooking up lamp onto it and having it turn on at random times during the day or night. Some of the use case scenarios for wanting to use a smart plug could be anything like increasing home security. Having a lamp turn on at random times while you're out of the house could make it look like that there is someone home. Like I mentioned earlier, making a dumb device smarter. Things like rice cookers, coffee machines, anything that may not have a auto timer on. Controlling energy consumption, that's another big reason to want to use a smart plug. Things like TVs tend to consume a lot of power even when they are off. And by hooking it up to a smart plug, cuts off that power and just leaves the minimal amount of power on standby to the plug itself. In my particular use case, I use this a lot for managing some of the devices that my kids are on. Things like the TV. When they get home, they have to do their homework before they can do anything else. So with the smart plug, I make sure that I set a schedule from when the TV is on and when the TV is off. So let's open up the box and take a look at the plug itself. As you open the box, you'll be presented with the two plugs. They're about 2 inches in diameter and about 1 inch thick. On the left-hand side, you'll find the on and off power switch. As well, it also doubles as an LED light so you know when you're about to pair and also to know when it's on or off. But just as a word of caution, while these are very lightweight and they are pretty small, you'll find that you won't be able to actually stack this on your actual outlets, so you'll only be able to use one at a time. So now we're going to take a look at the pairing process and we're going to actually see it lit up on my wall, and then we're going to go through the app and see how we can add it to the Smart Life app. So now that I have it plugged into the wall, you can see the LED light is flashing, which means it is ready to begin pairing. So I'm just going to pull up the Smart Life app and just get it all set up. On the main screen here in the Smart Life app, you're going to want to go up to the top right hand side and hit that plus sign. Then on the next screen, you'll go to Socket, Wi-Fi. Then it's going to begin the searching process to find your new plug. Select your local Wi-Fi and click confirm. Once it fully connects, just name your smart plug, hit done, and then you'll be presented with all the different options that you can set. So on the bottom right hand side here, you'll see schedule, just press that. So over in this location, this is where we'll add our on and off schedules. Here in this example, let's just click add. We'll say that we're going to turn it on at 7:20. We're only going to have it once, but if you did click on it, you could choose particular days. So I'll just say Sunday and Monday. Next, we'll go down here to notes. So if you want to leave a note on the reason why you're doing it. House is empty. Hit save, and then we're going to say switch on, and then we could say execute notification. I won't do that. Hit save. Now what we'll want to do as well is create a schedule to turn it off on the same days, and then we'll just say at 8:25 we'll have it turn off on Sundays and Mondays, and then we'll say switch off and then done. So that's how you go about creating an on and off schedule. At the bottom here, you'll find the timer button. And what that does is it does the exact opposite action of the current state of the device. So right now, in my example, my socket is off. Setting a timer will have it turn on the socket at the countdown time. So in my example here, I'm going to set it to 14 hours. And after 14 hours, it's going to turn on my lamp or whatever device I have connected to the socket. The last option at the bottom is your switch button, and all that does is turn on and off the switch. But you can also do that by hitting the actual big blue button in the center of your screen. Next, I'm going to demo this connected to my Google Home, and I'm going to show you turning this on with a voice command. Okay, Google, turn on the office lamp.
Sure, turning on office lamp.
Okay, Google, turn off the office lamp.
Okay, turning off office lamp.
Overall, I'm really happy with this smart plug. It was very easy to set up, very easy to use. And with that being said, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I will also be dropping in the description down below links to this product. This is where I'm going to end the video today. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.